AI is now writing your news feed. But is that good or bad for journalism? Could this be the end of real reporting? As the technology economy grows, Google is taking the lead with AI summaries. Have you seen those little summaries in your Google Discover feed lately? The ones that give you the gist of an article before you even click. Yeah, that's AI in action. Google's rolling out AI-generated summaries in Discover. The idea helps you decide if an article is worth reading. Pretty handy, right? But there's a flip side. Many editors are worried these summaries will steal their clicks. Fewer people actually visit the full story. Some sites report traffic drops of 50% to 80% in tests. I get both sides. On one hand, convenience, you get fast info. On the other, nuance gets lost. Context fades. AI might oversimplify or even misstate things. So here's my take. AI summaries are useful. As a preview, not a replacement. Use them to survey the topic. But always click deeper if it matters. Because real journalism, the full view, the details, that's where truth lives. What do you think about Google's new AI summaries in Discover? Will this reshape journalism or hurt the US media economy?